With the ever-rising demand for electric vehicles, companies like Tesla will need to step up their production as the number of electric vehicles will grow from 3 million vehicles today to as many as 220 million by 2030. This means that we need at least 10 more gigafactories around the world by 2025 to fulfill the demand for electric vehicles. But wait, what exactly does the Gigafactory in Texas do? Well, today let's take a deeper look into what it is all about. Welcome back to Autodose, your daily dose for everything automotive. In today's video, we'll be looking at the running costs for a Tesla. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button for your chance to win our monthly shoutout giveaway. Once done, comment down below "I subbed" and you will be entered in the giveaway. Let's get started. The Gigafactory is a term coined by Tesla CEO Elon Musk way back in 2013 for the then upcoming lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant in Nevada. Tesla claims that the factory was given its name by the word giga, which means billion. But today, the Gigafactory is used to represent a battery production facility that does production by collaborating with so many companies to build components to scale up the entire production of lithium-ion batteries at a large scale. Because of the large-scale production of these lithium-ion batteries, manufacturers have to consider gigawatt-hours as a unit to supply the level of energy that they require, which is another reason why the Gigafactory has its name. When you look at 2018, Tesla reached a rate of 20 gigawatt-hour production with their own Gigafactory in Nevada, and Tesla as a company has proven to the world that building large-scale Gigafactories is not that difficult. The Gigafactory 4 in Berlin will also be the fastest-built factory in the world with the use of prefabricated construction technology. But don't be confused that Gigafactories will only be producing lithium-ion batteries. Yes, there's no denying the fact that the primary function of a gigafactory is to manufacture a lot of batteries. But at the same time, gigafactories can also be considered as some of the major hubs for renewable energy storage. The Gigafactory 1, where Tesla has over 7,000 employees, a part of it is actually leased by one of the largest battery cell makers, Panasonic, which also happens to make battery cells for Tesla. The Nevada Gigafactory, for example, has got a separate department where they make a lot of electric motors, especially for the Model 3. Tesla's decision to make batteries by themselves by partnering up with other companies like Panasonic has given them the edge over the pricing of their products because batteries are fundamentally the most important and the most expensive component in any electric car. And this is the reason why electric vehicles are still very expensive for the masses to own. Every other EV manufacturer out there depends on other suppliers for their batteries. It looks like Tesla is the only company that cracked the code of making their own batteries to help with the production of EVs at a large scale. This also ensures a long-term supply of durable and more affordable batteries for Tesla's cars. Even with Tesla leading the EV industry, Tesla does not have so many gigafactories around the world because the company is relatively new. Texas is almost ready because we have the newly launched Model Y's body spotted at the new factory and a Cybertruck too. Speaking of the Cybertruck, a lesser-known fun fact about the Gigafactory Texas is that it was initially called the Cybertruck Gigafactory because the automaker plans to produce their upcoming electric pickup right in Texas. But then Tesla had to change their plans and decided to produce the updated Model Y at the factory instead. So they had to rename it to Gigafactory Texas. Apart from Texas, there is also another Gigafactory built in Berlin. Both of these factories will bring in monumental results for Tesla as far as sales of EVs and the manufacturing of batteries are concerned. With more Gigafactories around the world, Tesla will also be able to tap into more markets in more countries. And exporting Tesla from the US to other countries is not an economically wise option for Tesla. Even though Tesla made it look easy to build so many gigafactories, things are not that easy, and there are so many things that can go wrong with a factory like this. Take a look at the Cybertruck, for example, because the production for the new Cybertruck will be different because the electric pickup truck requires new methods of manufacturing because of the fact that the entire exoskeleton of the Cybertruck is made of steel. This means that Elon Musk will be dealing with another production hell that was witnessed with the Model 3. The official timeline for the production of the Cybertruck is late 2021. Still, we can expect more delays, and there are so many more people waiting for the Cybertruck, with more than 500,000 reservations for the electric pickup right now. But Tesla, being Tesla, is always about fixing problems, especially with the production of their cars. With the Gigafactory in Texas, Tesla will be implementing a huge gigapress for the production of the updated Model Y. Now, the importance of the gigapress is huge, because with the help of the gigapress, Tesla will now be able to make a much stronger chassis for their upcoming cars, including the Cybertruck. The Tesla will now be using the gigapress to cast the structure of the Model Y in just 2 pieces, and it will be 3 when you include batteries as well. The gigapress is a huge casting machine that is capable of casting car parts like the underbody of the Model Y and the upcoming Cybertruck. Without the gigapress, we are looking at more than 70 individual pieces that need to be welded, bolted, or glued together. But with the gigapress, these 70 individual pieces will end up as a single piece, and the entire manufacturing line will become much more efficient, and about 300 robots will be eliminated with the help of a much more efficient gigapress. The Gigafactory Texas will be the first factory that will be producing the updated version of the Model Y using this mega casting technology that'll be replacing so many body parts with a single giant cast part produced with the gigapress, which also happens to be the world's largest casting machine. Tesla is also hiring so many employees to work at their new factory in Texas, which means that the factory is almost ready for production of the new 4,680 batteries and the Model Y using the gigapress. By the end of 2021, you could buy a Model Y that is built in Texas, and Elon Musk has also admitted that after California, Texas is the largest market for Tesla in the US. Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by providing much more affordable electric vehicles and renewable energy products. Tesla is looking to build 500,000 cars per year, which means that Tesla alone will require the entire supply of the lithium-ion batteries that we have today. This means that gigafactories are extremely necessary for Tesla moving forward, and we can expect more of them in the years to come depending on the demand for EVs. Tesla also announced the new 4,680 batteries during the Battery Day event held last year in September. And this is huge, considering the fact that these are highly energy-dense batteries and are much more efficient and more affordable to manufacture, and that these batteries will now be a part of the newer Teslas moving forward. We spoke about the gigapress earlier, and the 4,680 batteries will now be integrated along with the structure of the new Teslas, which can improve the riding dynamics of the vehicles and the overall performance of the battery compared to the batteries that Tesla is now using. The inspiration for Tesla to build the 4,680 battery and also integrate it into the body of the upcoming cars has to be from the aerospace industry, because airplanes use their wings as fuel tanks instead of building fuel tanks inside the wings. So this is when Tesla decided to build a battery pack that acts as a part of the body structure that will link both the front and the underbody parts that are cast using the gigapress. The entirely new design of this particular battery will be built in the Gigafactory Texas, and it'll have fewer parts, and there will be a significant reduction in the total mass of the battery pack, which could in turn improve the efficiency and the range of Tesla's vehicles. So to sum things up, we're pretty sure that the Model Y and the Cybertruck will be produced at the new Gigafactory in Texas. It looks like there is an unofficial competition between the Gigafactory Berlin and the Gigafactory Texas as to which factory will start production first. The truth is, both of these factories can learn from each other and fix the mistakes that the other factory is making during the construction process. It's really interesting to see what Tesla will be doing with these Gigafactories moving forward. And the timing of the new production capacity at Texas couldn't be better, with new EV incentives coming to the US and so many other countries across the world. With that, we've come to an end with our video. What do you think about the Gigafactory in Texas? Do you think we need more of these in the coming years to fulfill the ever-growing demand for EVs in general? Do let us know in the comments section below, because we would love to hear from you all. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you want to see more videos just like this one. That's about it for today. Catch you all in the next one.